come with me. It is very, very secret, so that's why we should go in a calm place. Come with me. So guys, this video is gonna be very, very special and also very helpful video, because in this video I am gonna share a very, very important topic and also a very beneficial and helpful advice with everyone. It is very, very helpful for all of the beginners who want to speak the English language good, fluent and also very well, because in this video I am gonna share with everyone how you can practice the English language without any topic. Yes, I also observed that for a beginner it is very, very hard to find out topics to talk in English language, to speak the English language, to do the English language practice. But don't worry, because in my beginning time also I just followed 2 or 3 rules that help me to speak the English language anytime, anywhere without any topic. Okay, I don't have to go to the topic, you don't have to go to the topic, and you will start to speak the English language automatically. The topic will come to you. But for that you have to watch this video, because you need some secret things, secret keys to do this practice and also to follow this thing. So guys, let's start the video. Just guys, subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon, like this video, and at the last of this video share your thoughts in the comment section. Let's go. So only you need the codes. Yes, the codes. It is a very, very helpful thing. Whenever you will read any type of codes, then there are several benefits you are gonna observe in yourself. So the first benefit, it is the motivation, the confidence and also the courage. Whenever you will read some type of codes, then at that moment codes are very, very small, but when you will understand the codes, then they are gonna give you a secret motivation. That the motivation will help you to develop your speaking, to be consistent with your work. Yes, so that's why I always just share a number of motivational beneficial quotes for long and also for everyone, with everyone. So like for example, there are some simple quotes which are that beautiful days don't come to you, you must work towards them. Do you think that what is this environment? It is the tea garden of Agartala, and this is a beautiful day for me. But this garden doesn't come to me, doesn't come in my home. I have to come here. So that's why it is a greatest beautiful and a very memorable day for me. So always remember, beautiful days will not come to you, you have to go to the towards them. Means the success, the goals, that will not come to you, you have to go towards them. You have to do hard work, you need patience, you have to be consistent for your goals, for your success. So always remember this thing, that quotes are very, very beneficial. That is also my favorite quotes, that everything is easy when you are crazy for it, but nothing is easy when you are lazy for it. Like this environment, this background, like you also can see there are many cars, and also in the cars there are many peoples. But when I was in home, then several tension I was just thinking about, that oh, what will be and I will go there, then a number of people, they will give me some problems to make the videos, I will be hesitate from them. But no, when I come here, when I started to speak for a little bit moment, everything became very, very normal for me. So that's why craziness, remember, like I am very crazy for my work, for my English speaking, for developing my English. So always, if you want to be good in some work, then you have to be crazy for it. If you become crazy for it, then the work will be more easier for you. So remember this, as you also just observe for a little bit, that with the help of one single quote, I also talked a very long time. So now also I can do and I can speak a number of things with the simple quotes. So that's why quotes are very, very beneficial for you. And today I am gonna give you an example without any topic. I will speak only with the help of only one quote. It is the two-way great man, nothing is little. Now I am also have come this place in a sudden. We were going in a destination in our relative's house, but suddenly we just think that let's make a video in the tea garden. So now what we did, we just came in the tea garden, and now I started to speak. Okay, I also don't know what I will speak, and also I also don't have any topic, but suddenly a topic come in my brain, that why not I make this topic a topic, okay, this problem a topic. Now I don't have any topic, so that's why I will make this problem a topic. Now I am speaking this. So it is also a little bit a puzzling thing, but it is very normal. So now I don't have topic, I am just running, I am going somewhere. So now how I will do the practice? By only one with quotes. This quotes is the to a great man nothing is little. In your home, just find out a small but a very powerful course from the internet. After finding them, just understand the codes. Okay, understanding it is a art. Okay, if you are thinking that oh, codes are very simple and I will read them, then I will understand them very easily, then you are wrong. You have to understand codes by reading the codes for a long time. Okay, and you will read the codes one time, two time, and you will go deeper with the codes, then you are gonna understand the codes. So understanding is very important. After you understand, just try to make few sentences in your like in your mother tongue. Okay, first of all in your mother tongue, and try to transfer them in the English language. So it is very normal. Okay, if you read a quotes from your home, then also you can do this process anywhere. Okay, so in your home also you can do that. Sit very peacefully and just speak and speak and speak. Okay, don't worry about the mistakes, about the problems. Mistakes and problems, they are very simple. Okay, there will be. And also if you are doing mistake every day, and if you are learning from the mistake, then just remember one thing: you are doing the best thing in your life. Without doing the mistake, there are no any work you can master in your life properly. So with the only help of one quote, you can talk a lot. Like to a great man nothing is little, there are only 5 or 6 words. To a great man nothing is little. Now how I will speak and how I will do the practice for a long time? By only I will explain the quotes. Now how I will explain it? By just understanding the quotes. Like first of all, to a great man nothing is little. Just make some questions with the quotes. That what is the great mind? What is the mind? Okay, what is the great mind? So I always share with people that there are 3 kind of mind in our society. One is small mind, one is average mind, one is great mind. Okay, great mind people, they always discuss about the ideas, but average mind people, they always discuss about the events. What is going there? Oh, do you know that suddenly a accident is just happened, they are making a house, and this type of things. But a small mind, the dangerous people in this whole world, they are small mind, and they always speak and like think, and they always just do conversation with the and people. Okay, now what the people they are doing this, they are not should do this, they will always give you advice. So this type of small mind, great mind, and average mind. But if you are a great minded people, then always remember, for a great mind nothing is little. Now what is little? Just for example, if you are doing any work, and then while doing the work, a small, a simple problem arise. Now what you will do? A number of people, they will just ignore the problem by thinking that oh, this problem is very simple, just ignore it, it will not harm me anything. But the great mind people, they will understand the problem and they will solve the problem. Okay, doesn't matter how much small it is, how much big it is, they will just try to solve the problem. So it is the difference by in the small mind and in the great mind. So you also can be a great minded people by only just changing few habits, which are just focusing on your problems. Whenever you will do a mistake, then there are also 3 things you must do. First, admit the mistake, learn from the mistake, and don't repeat the mistake. Now the advice that I gave you for the mistake, it was also a quote. So that's why quotes are very important. We every time we decorate our soul, and also we decorate our body, we decorate our birthday party, and also we do a number of things, but we don't decorate our study, our education, our knowledge. So remember this, it will be a very helpful thing. And also another advice I will go and I will give to everyone. Now as you also see, as you are watching me, I am in the environment. Okay, now I don't have any quotes, even I don't have any type of thinking and also any quotes. Now what I will talk about the environment. I will talk about surroundings me. Okay, now what is where I am? I am in the tea garden, and I will tell something about the tea garden. In the tea garden, there are many small trees we can found everywhere, and it is a very big tea garden. Everywhere there are many trees, many small tea garden, and also trees. So in this also it is a picnic spot also. Okay, few people in the picnic time they come here, and also they do some picnic parties with their family members, with their relatives. So it is the thing, and now the surroundings and also environment is very beautiful. So that's why I also love the tea garden. Whenever I get any movement, I come in the tea garden. So this type of environment, okay, if you are in your home, then sit on your desk and then just take any object. After taking the object, try to speak about the object. Okay, now for example, just in my hand, think that now in my hand it is a water bottle. Okay, now I will describe the water bottle. Okay, so the water bottle, it is a water bottle. This water bottle has no any color because the water bottle is made by plastic. And in this water bottle, how much quantity is water, I will explain. Everything I will explain. Okay, simply like this tree. Okay, there is a very old tree, and I understand that this tree is old because from the branches, because from the trunk of this tree, because in the old trees there are also many scratches and also many type of things happened that understand that it is an old tree. And you just observe this tree, and then secondly you observe this tree. Okay, the two trees, I think that they are like simple and also same kind of tree, but they are different because for only one thing, because from the leaves. So this tree has a number of leaves, but this tree has not. There are also very simple leaves. So this type of things difference, just to make questions and just do remember. I also said a thing, I also said a quote to everyone at the beginning time, that the quote is very beautiful, that everything is easy when you are crazy for it, but nothing is when you are lazy for it. If you want to speak the English language, then doesn't matter what you have and what who are you. You can speak, you can learn it obviously, because you are crazy for it. Okay, there is also a thing that if you want something by your whole heart and soul, then obviously the thing will come to you. You are gonna achieve it. So remember my words, just go and speak. Until you will take a step, you are not gonna understand the thing. So always try to take steps. You will do mistake, but after doing a mistake, one day the success will come. And also at the last, I want to share a very important thing that I want to share with everyone, that for with the help of all of your loves, and also with the help of all of your support, like yesterday also I got my AdSense pin. Okay, a AdSense pin that everyone will need for to make our Google AdSense a proper and also a perfect AdSense that come in everybody's home, the 6-digit AdSense. So I also got it from with the help of all of your support and love. So thank you guys very much. Like that, please support me, and also please just subscribe this channel, hit the bell icon. If you don't do this, then my new videos, they are not gonna come to you. Like this video, give me a comment section, a very beautiful thing. I also love to talk with everyone in the comment section. So bye bye, I will meet you in the another next video. Remember, to a great mind, nothing is little.